Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Instax Mini Evo. Now I don't know about you lot, but when I think Instax, I'm thinking of good times, the summer, hanging out with friends, sunshine. Definitely not bobble hats and drizzle, but we've got to work with what we've got. So here's a first look at this awesome instant camera. So here's everything you need to get started with the Instax Mini Evo. In the box for the camera, you get the camera itself, which is lovely and retro looking. You also get your shoulder or neck carry strap, a USB charging cable so you can charge up the battery, and your instructions. The other things that I've got here are the Instax case, which is just a cute little leather pouch, and also a pack of the Instax Mini film. You can use whichever Instax Mini film you like. I've just gone for this one with the funky coloured frames. Everything about this camera is super cool, from its design, which is that really classic retro styling, which personally I think looks great on instant cameras, to its features. So let's take a look at those. First up, we have this lens control ring just on the front here, and if you flick through it, it allows you to select a different lens effect. There are 10 in total for you to choose from things like double exposure, half frame, or light leak, so you can really get creative with your photography. Your creativity doesn't have to stop there though, because on the top here we've got our film control dial. Clicking through that, you're able to choose a different film effect, and just like the lens effects, there are 10 for you to choose from, such as monochrome, retro, vivid, loads more. Now, I'm not the greatest at math, but if we've got 10 different lens effects, 10 different film effects, then that is 100 different combinations for you to choose from, straight from this camera. Possibilities are endless, and I think that's awesome. And that's not all, there's also the app. Check this out. Okay, so it actually started raining quite heavily outside, so I've moved indoors to show you this. But this is the Instax Mini Evo app, and it is awesome. So once you've connected to your Instax Mini Evo via Bluetooth, you will see all of these options on the app here. So we've got direct print, remote shooting, transfer images, and also your settings. Now, as you can see on the Instax camera itself, I've got the picture showing up on the back screen, lovely stuff. So I could take a photo just like that if I wanted to, or I could go into the remote shooting option on here. And if I turn on live view, you'll be able to see that I get my shot shown on my phone rather than on the camera, and if I just move the camera, you'll be able to see the framing of the shot change too. Okay, so that's really cool in itself, but the other cool thing is that I can actually take the photo straight from my phone as well. So this is probably the perfect way to take a nice group shot, make sure you're in it, or a selfie without your arm being in frame. Or if you want to photograph something like an animal, but you don't want them to get scared of you standing right there. You can see I've also got the option here to print it. So I'm just going to tap that, and I should get my print appearing out the camera. How cool is that? That's not the only cool thing that this app lets you do, but you can also print your photos from your phone off on this camera too, so you can use it as a printer, which is awesome. And you can also then transfer any images that you've taken on your Instax Mini Evo straight across to your phone too. So you can then share them on your social media channels like Instagram or Facebook. And there you go, that was our quick first look at the new Instax Mini Evo. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Instax Mini Evo, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.